Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account sign, in, and location access so the network can share device positions. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on each device because proximity and network scans power discovery. Make sure the Find My Device app is installed and updated, and grant Bluetooth, location, and background refresh permissions so tracking persists. These are the first actionable steps that allow devices to join the Find My network and broadcast encrypted position beacons to other participating devices. You now enroll devices into the Find My network and tune settings for privacy and reach. Go into the app's network or offline finding section, toggle participation on, and select which devices will share out location beacons. Then configure allowed devices or trusted contacts so only chosen accounts can see precise locations. Also verify encryption and anonymous relay are active so other devices forward location data without learning identities. Once configured, your devices will appear to the network while preserving privacy. You use the map and sound features to locate a device quickly, and if recovery is needed, enable Lost Mode to lock it and show contact details. Once done, monitor the device's last seen and network relay updates. Make sure you refresh location data periodically. If the device shows offline, troubleshoot by checking battery level, Wi-Fi/Bluetooth, and app permissions, and then restart the device. This resolves most relay or beacon failures. If problems persist, rejoin the Find My network and test with a second device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.